PlanetTogether offers the ability to create what-if scenarios. What-if scenarios allow a scheduler to copy their live scenario and make changes, compare those changes, and decide if they want to apply those changes to their live scenario. To create a what-if scenario, I go to the current scenario icon, click the drop-down arrow, select copy to new what-if scenario. The system now creates a copy of my live scenario. At the top, I can see my new scenario listed. When it's highlighted, it is selected. I can rename my what-if scenario. Make changes to my what-if scenario. Here, I'm going to select several orders and move their position to see how it affects my schedule. Now, if I drop down on current scenario and compare, select my live scenario to my what if, I can see how my changes affect my KPIs, such as my late units. I can also use my what if scenarios to change my optimization rules to test out better optimization rules that I might want to apply to my live scenario. I'm going to create another what if scenario, change my optimization rules, and then compare the 3 different scenarios. I have now a new what if scenario that I will rename. Go to my settings, select the what if scenario I wish to choose, make adjustments to test. Here, I'm going to change my productivity . Save and close. Go back to my front screen to look at my what if 2. Run my optimize to apply my new optimization rules. I can see that it has changed the positioning of my orders. And now if I compare, I can highlight and see the changes and how they apply. Scenario 1 was my live. Scenario 2 is my drag and drop. And scenario 3 is my re-optimization. If I make a change that I want to apply to my live scenario, I can convert to live, and it will paste over on top of my live scenario, the scenario I have selected. I can also delete my what if scenarios by selecting the delete. It will ask me to confirm that I do wish to delete this and notify me that this cannot be undone using my undo button. When I say yes, my what if scenario that I'm deleting will be removed.